So this is it, the last update before the finale for the Deck of Panning project pan, and things are happening. I currently have 8 products in this project, and we're gonna start with my 3 eye products. First, I'm gonna tell you about my progress on these products, and then I'm gonna show you the eye looks that I've created with them, because I often use several of them in each eye look. First, for the prompt Oldest, I chose one of my oldest eyeshadows, and it is this matte black from Stila. My goal was to use it 10 times, and I've done that since the last update. So we have a first gold matte and the first new card to pick. You'll see it on the pictures, but I've used it 5 times as a liner, 4 times on the outer V or outer third of my lid, and 1 time all over my lid. Next eye product was for the prompt eyeshadow, and I chose this liquid eyeshadow from Glisten in the color Frosting. My goal was also to use it 10 times, and last update I had used it 5 times, and I've used it 5 more times, so I've also reached my goal on this one, so we'll have a second new card to pick. And the third eye product is for the prompt Collecting Cobwebs. My goal is to finish it. It's this cream eyeshadow in the color Bright Copper, and I've used it 10 times since the last update. I haven't finished it, so it's staying, and I am at 66 uses in this project. Now let's talk about lip products. I've also got 3 of them in this project. For the prompt In It for the long haul, I have this gloss from L'Oreal in the color Disco Ball, and my goal is to finish it. For the prompt Joker, I've got this red lip lacquer in the color Rose Vinyl, and my goal is also to finish it. And for the prompt Affordable, I've got this liquid lipstick from Maybelline in the color Self Starter, and my goal is to use it 10 times. And I had already used it 3 times the last update. So can you guess which goal I've met? You could think that I only had to use this one 7 times to reach my 10 uses goal, and that this liquid lipstick is a rollout, and you would be totally right. I've used it 7 more times, the 7th one being today, but that's not all. I also have finished the red lip lacquer. Not only have I finished a lip product, but it's a bright red one. To me, it's clearly an accomplishment. So yeah, I'm pretty thrilled. Look at that. The doe foot is even white on certain parts. So yeah, I'm super thrilled about that. Super thrilled. I had to use it 7 more times to be able to finish it, and I have used it a total of 26 times in this project. And I haven't finished the gloss from L'Oreal. I also have used it 7 times. It's funny, I've used each lip product 7 times since the last update, and I am at 89 uses in this project. Now let's talk about the 2 highlighters that I have in this project. The first one is a liquid one. I have used it 28 times since the last update, so really every day that I have done my makeup. My goal is to finish it, and it's not finished yet, so it's staying in the project. And my other highlighter is a gold loose highlighter. It's in the project for the prompt Joker, and my goal is also to finish it. I've used it 14 times since the last update, and it still isn't finished, so it's also staying in the project. They're both on the subtle side, so they don't stand out well in pictures, but I always wear one or both of them in all the looks that I show you in pictures. For the first look, I used the cream eyeshadow Bright Copper on my lid and the black matte eyeshadow as a liner, and I recreate more or less the same eye look for a full work week, and that's how I used the black matte eyeshadow 5 times as a liner. For the second look, I applied the black matte eyeshadow all over my lid and my crease, and then I applied the liquid eyeshadow Frosting on my lid, and there's a close-up picture of my eye that is a bit blurry, but I think you can more accurately see the color of Frosting like that. For the third look, I applied the black matte eyeshadow on the outer third of my lid, and I applied the liquid eyeshadow Frosting on my lid on top of a lilac eyeshadow, and I also blended this liquid eyeshadow with a brush, and I find the effect to be very different from the previous look. In the next look, I'm wearing the red lip lacquer. I also used the cream eyeshadow Bright Copper on my lid, and I used the black matte eyeshadow only to slightly deepen my outer V. In this look, I also used the black matte eyeshadow to deepen my outer V, but more heavily, and I used the liquid eyeshadow frosting as a liner and as a lower lash line shade. I accidentally put some on my lower lashes, and that's what gave me the idea of the next look. As you can see in this look, I used the liquid eyeshadow frosting as a mascara, and I used the black matte eyeshadow on my outer V and to create a very thick liner to make the greenish gold lashes stand out. And it was also the last day of the red lip lacquer, and I'm wearing the Dazzle Gloss on top because the red lip lacquer wasn't as evenly opaque as usual. And in this last look, I used the liquid eyeshadow frosting to create this small half circle between the outer corner of my eye and my brow bone. And I also used it on my lid, but this time I topped it with glitters and I really loved it. So we now have 4 new cards to pick, the deck and the joker. No. Oh my god. Really? Really? Even for the last update? No. It's crazy. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Let's hope I have a great card after that. 7 of Hearts is a blush. Oh, it means I have 1 more card to pick, so 2 cards instead of this one. What an update, guys, what an update. 10 of Clubs is an influencer, collab or brand. 4 of Spades is a product with a pattern. So that's 2 for the ace. And I have 1 last card to pick. 7 of Spades is Gifted. What can I say? We're ending this project strong. I'll be right back with my 5 new products. I'm back with my 5 products. For the prompt, the Joker, or good friend, the Joker that doesn't want to leave me, I chose this golden cream eyeshadow. I tried to pan it in Partners in Cream last year, and as you can see, I didn't manage to do that. I used it 24 times to be able to clear the quarter that has pan, and I haven't used it since. I don't really like to pan the same product 2 times in a row, and I don't really like to pan eyeshadows because I think it's bad for my creativity when I can't choose all the shades that I want. There's only 1 month left before the finale, so I think I will only give me a 10 uses goal on this product. Then speaking of resurrecting Partners in Cream products, for the prompt blush, I'm gonna choose this cream blush, which is an old lipstick depotted in a small jar. There's not that much left. I've already used it about 50 times in my blush challenge this year, and I think that if I try to do the underpainting thing that was called reverse makeup or reverse foundation a few years ago, I can maybe finish it before the end of the project, end of the year, and that will be very cool because I already wanted to finish it before the end of last year. So yeah, my goal for this product will be to finish it. For the prompt pattern, I struggled to find something because I have very few products with pattern. I finally decided to choose this eyeshadow from Sephora. I don't know if you can really see it, but in the center of the eyeshadow there is a flame or a wave, and it's already half gone, but there's still half a pattern on this product, so I'm gonna choose this one. I also have a Benefit blush and a Tarte blush with a pattern on them, but I don't want to pan another blush. I already have a cream one in this project, and I'm at the end of my blush challenge, and there's no way I will shackle myself to another powder blush this year. So I'm going with this eyeshadow, and my goal is to use it 10 times before the finale. I got the prompt on influencer brand or collab, and I already had this one at the beginning of the year. And as I said, the first time I got the prompt, I don't have any product like that. So what I did the first time is that I chose a palette from Morphe because they do a ton of collabs. And this time I'm gonna do the same thing with the brand Glisten. They don't do as many collabs as Morphe because they are a smaller and younger brand, but I already saw several collabs from the brand, so I'm gonna roll with that. And I'm choosing this Chroma pencil in the color Saturn. It's a really pretty gold to green shade. It's what I have on my eyes today on top of a khaki eyeliner pencil, and it's one of my favorite combos of the fall. And with only 1 month left in the project, I think I will also give myself a goal of 10 uses on this product. And for the prompt gifted, we are going to end the year with a bold choice, and it's an Overleap product. It's the same line as the red one I've just finished, but this one is more of a purple shade. It is as old as the red one, so it would be a good thing for me to finish it. Of course, I don't know if I can really do this in 1 month, but I think I'm gonna give me the goal to use it at least 10 times, because it's not a shade that matches every look, so I know I won't use it every day. And I think it's enough of a challenge for me to have another lip product in this project. So that's it. I think it was a pretty animated last update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.